Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to contact AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device and then go to your account at the bottom side of the screen right here, and then you should find Help Center that looks like this. And here you can see popular solutions to some problems, also frequently asked questions, and here at the bottom you see online service button that redirects you to chat with AliExpress, and here you can write your question. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.